Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Rebecca Pansan, 28 years old. I'm married with one daughter from Philippines, and I am applying as a cook. I have 3 years of working experience as a cook in Saudi Arabia. I know how to make any kinds of kabsa, biryani, bukari, chicken creme, salona, makloba, macaroni pasta, bechamel, molokhia, sha'ariya, chicken sandwich, salata, falafel, chicken cone, chicken dijaj, warag inab, samosa, and 3 kinds of baspusa. I also know how to make orange cake, coffee cake, tamar cake, tiramisu, pizza, cheese roll, cinnamon bread, mahalabia, and pastries. I hope you will hire me, ma'am and sir, and it's my pleasure to serve your family. Thank you in advance.